Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on what is a sale, close, or purchase report and how to submit one to the National Pollutant Release Inventory or NPRI using the single window system. If a facility closed, was sold, or purchased during the reporting year, the owner or operator is required to notify Environment and Climate Change Canada. For a facility's closure, enter the date of closure and verify whether or not reporting requirements were met for the portion of the year that the facility was in operation. Then, the owner or operator should submit either an inventory report or a DNMC does not meet criteria report. See the tutorial for how to file a DNMC report for details. For a sale or purchase, the sale or purchase date is requested along with this information on the old and new facility owners. The person responsible for submitting the NPRI report for the reporting year is the owner or operator as of December 31st of that year. This notification can be done through the single window system, which I will now demonstrate. This is the Single Window Information Manager homepage, or SWIM for short. To learn how to access the SWIM homepage, please visit our tutorial on how to sign in and navigate the Single Window Information Manager. Click National Pollutant Release Inventory and Partners to continue. This takes you to the reporting dashboard screen. To file a sale, close, or purchase report, ensure you have your company selected, the report year, and the sale, close, or purchase option from the report category drop-down list. Click Add New Report from the bottom to choose your facility. You will now be on the Find Facility screen, where all the facilities that you have access to are displayed. Select the facility for which you want to file a sale, close, or purchase report by clicking the plus icon to the right of the facility name. This creates a report on the reporting dashboard screen for that facility. Open the report to begin editing by clicking on the Edit or pencil icon to the right of the facility name. This takes you to the Sale, Close, or Purchase screen. First, you must select the appropriate radio button to indicate whether you are submitting a sale, close, or purchase report. Then, enter the date where the sale, close, or purchase came into effect. For a sale or purchase report, you must enter the information about the previous owner and the new owner in the fields provided. You must also answer the questions at the bottom of the screen concerning releasing NPRI records and the last year of known reporting to the NPRI. For a closure report, you are only required to enter the effective date. Once you have completed all the details on this screen, click Validate and correct any displayed errors. When finished, click Save, Continue. This will return you to the reporting dashboard screen where you can perform a series of actions and submit your report. If you click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the facility report, you will see the actions available for this report. In this case, we can edit the report if you want to make changes, delete the report, submit the report, or generate a report for printing. We will now continue to submit the report by clicking on the Submit. This takes you to the report submission and electronic certification screen. Select the checkbox for the electronic certification, then click Save Continue to complete the submission. Click OK to return to the reporting dashboard screen. Now you will see the submitted report with the date and time the report was submitted. If you need to go back and make further changes to the report, click Update. This concludes the tutorial on what is a sale, close, or purchase report. If you have any questions, please contact the NPRI. You can get the contact information for NPRI and partners by clicking on the Help option from the top menu bar and clicking Contact NPRI.